Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is March 2nd, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla closing a little bit higher today. So we are up $15.52, 1.8%. We close at 879.89. 879.89 post market. We are down $10. But 879.89, does that ring a bell? So we have our resistance at 879. So we closed, if we look at it here in greater detail, so we have crossed, and maybe if I put it on 1 pixel, so we technically have crossed the resistance, but it's so close to it that I have a hard time considering it as a break. It's really smack on it, and this is confirming that this resistance at 879 is a real resistance. So I would not really call it a break. We made a lower high than yesterday, but we also made a lower low. So from a range perspective, we lost a little bit. In terms of the close, we closed a little bit higher. So that's always a good news. The close is what people remember from a trading day. They remember a little bit less what happened during the day. So I see this as some kind of a positive day, even though we made a lower high. It's still a positive day on my mind from the daily perspective because we are not falling down. We are keeping ourselves up there. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. The first hour of the day was right here. So we opened a little bit lower than yesterday, and the second hour went even lower, but stochastic was pretty much at over 60. So it meant that this little move down was just a regular pullback. And indeed, this is what happened. From the 4th hour on, we have seen green candles. Boom, boom. This is really nice. And of course, we went and closed just a little bit above the 879. So a perfect touch. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So stochastic is climbing higher. So stochastic at 72, gaining some strength. So this is good. MACD also. MACD, we had a MACD crossover a couple of days ago. And we see the distance between the two lines shown here in this bar chart. So the distance is increasing. So this is nice. RSI getting closer to 50, and DMI also, the bearishness in the stock expressed by the red line is coming down, and the bullishness in the stock is climbing a little bit, which is expressed by the green line. Everything is improving at the same time as the stock. So we still have to break this 879 with the more frank break. And then we should be heading on to 940. This is what we want to take a look at. And then at 940 or on this resistance right here, then we'll have to see if we cave underneath it. And maybe we are going to cave a little bit down to 879 again as a support, and then break it for good and start looking at higher numbers for Tesla. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.